80 animals.
Spider.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. It's great to be here with you again. Are you enjoying this class? I am too. Today we'll learn about spiders. This is a spider. Are you afraid of spiders? Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
This is a spider. A spider has 8 legs, unlike an insect. An insect has 6 legs. A spider is on a web. The spider produces silk from its body and makes the web with it. The web is extremely sticky. When an insect comes to the web, it can't get out. The spider approaches the insect and eats it. Did you know most spiders have venom? But don't be too afraid. Most spider venom is too weak to harm people.
How many legs does a spider have? 6. 8. What does a spider make its web with? It's venom. Silk from its body. What is true? A spider uses its web to catch prey. Most spiders have strong venom.
"80 animals.
Centipede.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. Are you enjoying this class? I am as well. I love animals. Today, we'll learn about a centipede. This is a centipede. It has many legs.
One animal has the most legs. It's a centipede. Centipedes have a different number of legs depending on the species. Some centipedes have more than 200 legs. A centipede is a long worm. It has many body segments. It has a pair of legs on each body segment. The front legs are on the first body segment. Centipedes have venom on their front legs. A centipede has more than 100 body segments. That's why a centipede has more than 200 legs. A centipede likes wet places. It can be found more easily under rocks or trees.
What is a centipede known for? Many legs. No legs. Where is a centipede's venom? In its mouth. On its front legs. What is true about a centipede? It has many body segments. It likes dry places.
"80 animals."
And
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you doing today? I'm doing very well. This time we will learn about an insect, the ant. These are ants. They are very small.
what is a social insect? An ant is known for being more social than other insects. Ants live in groups. 4 kinds of ants are in a group. They are the queen, male, worker, and soldier ants. Male ants mate with the queen ant. A queen ant lays eggs. Worker ants compose the largest number of ants in the group. They have some jobs. A group of worker ants build their house. They build their house underground or in a tree. Another group of ants care for the queen ant and the eggs. The other group finds food outside. Soldier ants protect their group from enemies. Ants are quite social, aren't they?
What ants compose the largest number of ants? Soldier ants. Worker ants. Which ant lays eggs? Male ant. Queen ant. Which ants protect the group from enemies? Soldier ants. Worker ants.
80 animals.
B.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. You're learning a lot about animals. This time, we will learn about an insect, the bee. This is a bee. It is yellow and black.
What insect makes honey? A bee makes honey. A bee leaves its hive and flies to a flower. It gathers nectar from the flower. It flies back to its hive. Its family and friends are in the hive. Bees in the hive make honey with the nectar. People eat honey thanks to bees. A bee is useful for more than just honey. While a bee is on a flower, pollen from the flowers is on the bee's hair. The bee flies to another flower for nectar. The pollen is carried to another flower by the bee. Later, the flower becomes a fruit, a seed, or a nut. We eat fruit, grains, vegetables, or nuts thanks to bees.
Where does a bee get nectar? From a flower. From a tree. What does the bee make? Honey. Nectar. What is true about bees? Bees live in flowers. Bees carry pollen from one flower to another.
Eighty animals.
Butterfly.
Hello, everyone. It's good to see you. Are you having a good time with 80 animals? Awesome! You sure are learning a lot. Today, we will study a kind of insect, the butterfly. Look at the picture. This is a butterfly. It has beautiful wings.
Look at the caterpillar. It came out of a butterfly egg. It grows by eating leaves. After the caterpillar grows, it sticks to a branch. It casts off its skin and becomes a pupa. The pupa covers itself with a chrysalis. It spends many days in the chrysalis and grows wings. At last, the pupa breaks out of the chrysalis. It becomes a butterfly. But it can't fly for a while. It dries its wings first. It flies to flowers and eats nectar. When it leaves the flower, it carries the flower's pollen. New flowers grow in other places thanks to the butterfly.
Choose the right order. Egg, chrysalis, caterpillar, butterfly. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. What does the caterpillar eat? Branches. Leaves. What does the butterfly eat? Nectar. Pollen.
"80 animals."
Ladybug.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? I am happy to see you again. Are you ready to learn? Today we'll learn about ladybugs. This is a ladybug. Isn't it cute?
Look at the back of the leaf. You can see many small yellow eggs. They are a ladybug's eggs. An egg turns black and a larva comes out of the egg. The larva grows and becomes a pupa. Look at the pupa. A small ladybug comes out of it. Dim spots appear on the wings. It spreads its wings. It flies into the sky. Ladybugs eat harmful bugs on farms. So farmers like ladybugs.
Where are the ladybug's eggs? On its wings. On the leaf. What color does the egg turn just before the larva comes out? Black. Yellow. What is true about the ladybug? It has spots on its wings. It is a harmful bug.
80 animals.
Firefly.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm great. This class will learn about an insect, the firefly. This is a firefly. Its body can make light.
Can animals make light? Yes, an insect can make light. The insect is a firefly. It is also called a lightning bug. The light isn't hot, so you don't have to worry about getting burned by a firefly. A firefly makes light from the hind part of its body. The light's color is yellow, green, or light red, depending on the species. A firefly communicates using its light. For example, a male firefly gives signals to its girlfriend using its light. A firefly produces light throughout its life. When it is a larva, it makes light when moving on land. When it is an adult, it makes light when flying in the air.
What is another name for a firefly? Lightning bug. Signal bug. Where can you see light on a firefly? On its eyes. On its hind. What is true about a firefly? A firefly communicates using its light. Only adult fireflies can produce light.
Eighty animals.
Dragonfly.
Hi, everybody. I'm happy to see you again. Are you having a good time learning about animals? Me too. This time we'll learn about another insect, the dragonfly. This is a dragonfly. It has 2 pairs of wings.
Look at the insect. It is a dragonfly. It has 2 pairs of wings. It can fly very fast with the wings. This is a dragonfly's life. Its larva is hatched from an egg underwater. It walks on 6 legs and breathes with gills in water. It has strong jaws and eats other insects or fish in water. It spends around 5 years in water. At last, it comes out of the water and becomes an adult dragonfly. It has wings and flies in the sky. Sadly, it doesn't live for a long time. It can live as long as 5 to 6 months out of water.
How many wings does a dragonfly have? 2. 4. Where is a dragonfly when it is a larva? In the ground. In water. Where does a dragonfly spend most of its life? In water. Out of water.
"80 animals."
Water strider.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. This time we're going to learn about an insect, the water strider. This is a water strider. It can float on water.
Look at the insect on the water's surface. The insect is a water strider. It lives on a pond, a lake, or a river. It has 6 legs. Tiny hairs are on the legs. The tiny hairs are oily, so the water strider can float on the surface. Its legs have rolls. The front 2 legs are short. They are used to catch prey. The middle 2 legs are long. They are used for walking or jumping. The hind legs are long too. They are used when a water strider turns. A water strider has wings, so it can fly. But it doesn't make long flights because its wings are smaller than its body.
Where can we see a water strider? On the water's surface. Underwater. What makes a water strider float on the surface? Its wings. Tiny hairs on its legs. What is true about a water strider's legs? The middle two legs are used for jumping. The hind legs are used when it catches prey.
"80 animals."
Dinosaur.
Hi again. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm very good. Today we'll learn the last of the 80 animals. The last one is the dinosaur. Take a look at the picture. This is a dinosaur.
A long, long time ago, a lot of dinosaurs lived on the earth. Some dinosaurs ate grass or leaves, while others ate animals or other dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs were taller than 25 meters, and others were shorter than 1 meter. Some dinosaurs flew in the sky, and some lived in the sea. Some people think the dinosaurs disappeared due to cold weather. Some people think the dinosaurs disappeared due to asteroids hitting the Earth. People look for their fossils to study them. You can see their fossils in a museum. Would you like to see a real dinosaur? It would be the most fearless animal in the world.
Are some dinosaurs alive? Yes. No. What do some people think is the cause for the disappearance of dinosaurs? Cold weather. Human hunters. What is true about dinosaurs? All dinosaurs were large. Some dinosaurs flew in the sky.
Did you like the class? Great! I did too. That's all for now. Goodbye.